done, Olivia. Anya, what do you think of Olivia's performance tonight?
That was really nice, I like that. Don't start with that. That was the most controlled vocal I've ever heard from you. I mean, I've heard you sing quite a few times now, and sometimes you let yourself get away a bit and you kind of get a bit messy, but that was the most controlled I've ever heard. It was one of your best vocals, I think, and I think that was a very good song choice, very smart song choice, because it shows off how much you have actually grown with your vocals. I do think that your performance needs a bit of work, but obviously it was a slow song, can't really get any over that. But you're like a new Olivia up there. I mean, your voice was so clear, it was so pretty, it was really good. You should be very proud of that. Well done.
Kelly, what do you think of Olivia's performance, Kelly?
Yeah, I feel like you've shown us two totally different sides to yourself now. Going for like a very stripped back acoustic version of that song was, like Anya said, really, really clever. I love the fact that we got to see your diva side last week, and then we got to see you a little bit more reserved up there tonight. And I think it really showed off you've got this really quirky twang to your voice. And it was really, really lovely to kind of hear that and hear where you were going. You've got such a lot of power there as well. And I definitely think that this was such a step up from your audition. You've just shown that you've grown so much in such a short space of time. I think you should be really proud of all the hard work you put in, because it really paid off. Well done.
Olivia, you should be very, very proud. Again, like I said, this process isn't just about people coming out and absolutely smashing it off the get-go. It's about people learning and growing and developing. And you were one of those that I've been working with for a few months now. And I have to say, like, a lot of people don't see behind closed doors. But I have to say, you've come on so much in such a short time already. Obviously, we still got a long way to go yet. But my God, girl, for somebody who can grow as quick as you have in this short time, to me, I can't ask for any more. That's all I can ask. I can't turn around and say, right, go up there, smash like pop star. You know, it takes steps. Everyone needs to grow their confidence at different levels. Some people are quicker, some people are not. But you've done so well so far today. And yeah, that song was a lot more stripped back for you. I mean, you know, you like to do the diva songs and the Aretha and all that. And it was different, but it was really nice to see that a little bit more stripped back. Just keep believing in yourself when you're on that stage and when you're performing to people. Believe in more, to, you know, look at people and own it and really feel it. Keep working on that side of it, all right? But other than that, well done. Well done.